Hey folks, Kelly here from All True Solution, and I have my old friend Jeff Crane out here today. And Jeff, heck, we've been washing our hands every other minute, and we've washed the doorknob. I wash the dishes every day. I told Grill Wife I'm going to have the whole house washed.
That's right, and I'll stay 6 feet away from you, and it'll be nice and clean when we're done.
Yep, it's really nice. You've got 500 feet of hose. You're gonna do the whole house, right?
That's correct. We're going to do all the way around the house and the deck and 2 outbuildings here. And when we finish that, we're going to do the driveway.
If you need your house soft washed, call Jeff, Easy Care Maintenance. Out.